Hello YouTube, I'm Sion. Welcome to Galactic View. In this video, I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to make glasses on Vroid. They say that sometimes when making an accessory on Vroid is really impossible. At least when you start from scratch. I'm not referring to importing it to Blender and then go back to Visual Studio. Here it's just flat out from scratch on Visual Studio. Anyway, it's actually made out of hair. Sounds gross and nice, but the result is actually better. So anyway, let's go to the point. We start by adding the freehand group, the same as before. If you actually seen the previous video, you already have an idea, or any of the tutorials. Here is what you need to have a close look at. Because when you actually make the glasses, they're in here, right around this area, is where you're gonna see a slight deformity. And when you're actually dealing with something as hair or glasses, the shape will be affected by it. You keep a close eye and you just export it to Blender, you might be in a surprise. So always remember the mirror gesture. It's gonna help you. Keep on saying that, because it really will. Let's just select a simple color here. As I mentioned before, yeah, so you can actually see the difference. And onto the paint. For this purpose of the video, I'll choose a different type of hairstyle. Before I continue, always focus on here. Because again, we're dealing with glasses, and it always comes through this area. And you'll see now why. Since it's ridiculously big, basically they're gonna be overlapping each other. And if you don't notice, there's a slight bend around here. That's something you need to keep a notice on. And the other thing is the width. You get my point. Or the thickness of it. This is glasses, the less the better. Just try to do something like this. And just make a few adjustments. So you're eventually have your hairstyle. Now since I've already messed up a little bit, let's try this again. Keep on fixing it. Just make sure that everything is straight, neat and tidy. So here's what I'm referring to. See the massive difference that's making? That's why. Here is where you see things differently. And you just have to stay focused on it. Make sure it doesn't get too weird. Besides that, this is basically it. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to receive further alerts from future videos.